A U-turn is a 180-degree turn which is executed to reverse the direction of travel. The objective is to enhance your ability to execute a U-turn. This video will demonstrate the steps in executing a U-turn. You can U-turn only after the U-turn sign. To U-turn, form up in the extreme right lane. Check the rear view mirror. Signal right. Reduce speed as you drive to the turning point. The turning point is where the center of the front right door passes the tip of the divider. At U-turns with a narrow divider, full lock steering wheel at the turning point. Stop to give way to oncoming traffic if necessary without encroaching into the lane. When it is safe, check the right blind spot. If you are U-turning into a 2-lane carriageway, turn to the left lane. If you are turning into a 3-lane carriageway, turn to the center lane. At U-turns with a wide divider, turn the car according to the curvature of the divider. Stop to give way to oncoming traffic if necessary without encroaching into the lane. When it is safe, check the right blind spot and turn into the lane nearest to the divider. When the car is almost straightened, return the steering wheel to straighten the car. Change back to the left lane as soon as it is safe to do so. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. Which of the below is the turning point when making a U-turn? A. The car bonnet passes the edge of the right curb. B. The right side view mirror passes the edge of the right curb. C. The center of the front right door passes the edge of the right curb. C. The center of the front right door passes the edge of the right curb. 2. At which place can you execute a U-turn? A. At junctions or openings where there is a U-turn sign. B. At any junction or opening that is wide enough to do so. C. At any junction or opening as long as it is safe to do so. A. At junctions or openings where there is a U-turn sign. 3. At narrow dividers, how much should you turn the steering wheel to make the U-turn? A. Turn the steering wheel 1 round to the right. B. Turn the steering wheel 2 rounds to the right. C. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. C. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. 4. Which of the below statements about U-turn is false? A. Drive on the extreme right lane to execute the U-turn. B. You must stop at the turning point at all times. C. You should change to the left lane after completing the U-turn on a 3-lane carriageway. B. You must stop at the turning point at all times. 5. Which of the below is not a required safety check before turning into the opposite carriageway? A. Checking the left blind spot. B. Checking the right blind spot. C. Checking the rear view mirror. A. Checking the left